Just one night, I don't know about your life. But tell me, cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't stop looking. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be making chia gel. So I saw it on YouTube, so I said I wanted to try to see if it actually works on my 4C hair. So these are the products that we're gonna be using: my chia seed, some aloe vera I got from the dollar store, a container to pour it in from the dollar store, my measuring cup, a bowl, and of course your pot to boil the chia seed in, and a stocking cap, two stocking cap. So first I'm gonna go ahead and pour some water in my pot. So I use, I believe, like 4 cups of water. I'm not really sure because I keep adding more water because the chia seed was getting so thick, and I just wanted to add more water. So right here you see I had 2 waters, and then I'm gonna go back and add more water because the chia seed was getting too thick. So the only accurate measurement is the chia seed. So I add 1 cup of chia seed. So in total I add 1 cup of chia seed and I believe 4 cups of water. But just make sure you add enough water because the chia seed is going to get swollen, so you want to add more water than you add chia seed. So after you finish boiling the chia seed and you see get to this consistency where it's thick and you can actually see the gel, that clear substance, you want to just turn your stove off and then you want to just make it cool down. So right here I add more water because it was too thick. So yes. So now I'm just gonna let it sit, get cool. Then I'm gonna come back in with my stocking cap, put my stocking cap over the bowl, and I'm going to use my stocking cap to strain the chia seeds. So as you can see, you see that jelly consistency, that's what we want. So I'm just just squeezing the to get the gel out. It was a long hard work, I believe. Yeah, it was too much work. As you can see in the container, like some of the chia seed escaped from the stocking cap. I don't know how because the chia seed was not warm, but it did escape. So I have to go back and strain one more time to make sure all the seeds are out of the container. So do you see, look at that chia seed, look how thick the gel is. So after you finish squeezing all your chia seeds and after you finish squeezing everything, I'm gonna just add two tablespoons of my aloe vera. You're gonna see coming up right now. Any minute now. trying to get all the gel as possible, because yeah. So right here I'm gonna just add my, just showing you the consistency to show you that it's thick and it have no smell. So right here I'm going in with a tablespoon, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I'm just gonna stir it to make sure everything is combined. Then I'm gonna get my sucking cap, and then I'm gonna just strain it and put it in this smaller container, because I thought I was gonna make more, or I was gonna get more out of the gel, but it was like a small amount, so I went for a smaller container so it's easier to apply to my hair. And I think you should get the stocking cap instead of the strainer also, because I tried using the strainer and it did not work. You see, if you look in the sink, it's in the sink right there. The yeah, the strainer is not going to work, so don't waste your time using a strainer. Try to get a stocking cap or a cheesecloth. So right here I'm just showing you the consistency. It's very thick, have no smell, and now I'm gonna just apply to my hair to see if it actually works. As I said in the previous video, I'm not good at edges, so please don't come for me. I'm trying. If you guys have a edge tutorial that you guys want me to see, or to get better at doing edges, let me know in the comment down below. But I'm not good at doing edges, but to me, though, how I do it on myself, it looks pretty good. This is how I've been doing my edges since high school. But yes. And I can't really see what I'm doing because I'm using my phone to record. And I don't have a mirror in front of me, so yeah. So now I'm just gonna tie it down, let it stay for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. So now I'm back, let's see the results. Look at that, it actually laid my edges, and my edges are looking really nice. They're flat, there's no white residue, everything is looking perfect. I can say for sure, if you do not have the money, or you do not have transportation to get the edge control that is sold at the beauty supply store, you can actually make some chia seed gel and it will work. So these are some old braids. I'm gonna take them out, but yeah, just for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you guys how the edges look. They came out really nice. There's no white residue. Yeah, there's no white residue, and Yeah, it looks really good. I don't know, every time I say residue, I always mistakenly say residual, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I keep thinking like NG tube, residual, you know? But yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So, residue. So I'm just applying the remaining amount in my hair, because you know chia seed is very beneficial to your hair. It have tons of vitamins and minerals that hold. Like I didn't think that it will hold so strong, like so firm, and it doesn't have any white stuff or anything. You can see it. That's really good. So I guess that's it for this video. Just gonna add the rest to my hair because chia have a lot of benefits. It's high in a lot of vitamins and stuff. So I just wanted to make it for the sake of this video to see if it actually works, because I saw it. Let me take off these glasses because the reflection. I saw it on a lot of other YouTube channel, so I wanted to try to see how it works and if it's gonna really hold my edges, which it did. I'm very surprised of that, and it didn't leave any residue. So yeah, just added the rest to my hair. Just have a little bit leave, but yeah, and most of it already. I'm gonna add that to my scalp, let it stay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow or so. I'm not sure, but I'll see you. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and thank you guys for the support.